Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am dead tired from working out. Yes, I worked out this morning on this cloudy Saturday morning that it was, and I ran and did abs as per usual, as a matter of fact. So this is what I did this morning. Dead. After workout, I jump straight in the kitchen. I make some food to eat. Babe woke up and made cereal this morning. I guess he woke up hungry. He couldn't wait for me to make him anything, so he had cereals, and Tyler went down for a nap. It's basically chilling today. I think I'm even going to wash my hair today. It was really cloudy this morning, and it's been drizzling a little bit on and off, so it's not such a beautiful day even though the sun comes up a bit. Look at this one. Beep beep. What do you have to say for yourself? Look. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Eight. And while Tyler had a long nap, Babe and I has been watching Game of Thrones, and I must admit that Game of Thrones, Game of Thrones completely won me over. I am in it now, like in it. It's as of season 4, it's been going really good. What I've been waiting on since forever. So thumbs up to Game of Thrones. I'm officially a fan.
Okay, good job. Hi guys, I'm here. Slept a lot today and don't necessarily feel to do anything today. Yeah, been a long week, and I guess I'm very tired from the week, but also from last week because the weekend was my sister, so we also...
The past 3 weeks we've been good.
It was one of the only weekend we have.
Good job, baby. That's... What is he saying? I don't know.
Sha? And yeah, so basically today gonna be a rest day. Tomorrow we're gonna do some things, and yeah, today is just gonna be usually trying to sort out things that we didn't do.
Right.
And yeah, I have to do some little things on that.
He just fell. Ah, why, boo boo? Sweet boy. He's such a little warrior. He fell, got up, and he's gone again. You guys are having a wonderful day. 7, good job. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, whatever it is that you guys are doing this weekend. Have fun doing it. Make the best of it. Be nice to somebody. Do what you gotta do, and we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Yeah. Minnie, how you do? Listen, this boy's memory, I don't know. Wow, I don't know how Tyler remember all these things. Camera. He remember it's Minnie and Mickey. Apple, yes. What is this?
Sun.
Oh my gosh.
Sun. You know that sun.
But how you remember his son?
Sun because the sun.
Melon.
Meow.
He's so smart. Wow, what is this?
Fish.
Yes, fish.
Fish.
Fish. Good job. You're so smart. What is this?
Sun.
Yes, sun.
Rain.
Cloud.
Nuage.
Ayo.
Nuage.
Nuage.
Da.
Car. Yes, what is this? This one. Tree.
Dura.
Tree.
Dura.
Tree.
Nin.
What is this? Marshmallow.
Bear.
Mayo. Smarty pants, you.
Bow.
Bubble. Anyway, you guys, I'm off to wash these locks of mine. What is this?
Da.
Yes, car. Tyler,
Bow.
show them head.
Eh.
Head. Good job. Show them hands. Good job. Show them foot. Good job. Show them nose.
Nose.
Nose. Good job. Show them mouth. Good job. Show them eyes.
Eyes.
No, that's ears. Ears. Show them eyes.
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 Bravo. Show them stomach.
Ada.
Bravo. Hey. Gisha, Papa have your Gisha?
Isa.
Papa have your Passy?
Dasi.
Passy.
Ma.
Who is that? Who is that? Oh. Oh.
Baba.
Oh.
Thank you.
Isa.
Gisha, you guys, if you don't know by now, Tyler call his Passy Gisha. Don't ask me why he call his Passy Gisha. Look at these two. So cute. Momo?
Bonjour.
Rouge. Jaune. Noir.
Ça c'est quoi? Blanc?
You guys, if you don't know, Tyler says all his colors in French and he says all his numbers in English. I think is the cutest thing ever. He called this Annie, this called Mumu. Up, 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 wow! You enjoy the popcorn? You guys, I just pop popcorn for Tyler and of course babe and I sneaking it out. You're giving them some nice. Nice. Eat your popcorn. You guys, I'm washing my hair and literally my hair length is cut in two. I don't know if you guys are like me that don't like to change. It's okay, it's okay. Let it stay. Scratching it because it's getting better. Eat popcorn. I don't know if you guys are like me that don't like to change my hair products, but I use Dox. I don't know if you guys know Dox hair oil in my hair. Ever since I was a kid and I tried not to change my hair oil, and I have to order my hair products in bulk online, and I ran out of my oil recently, like about a month or two ago, and literally my hair texture changed. It became so coarse and it's like my hair is just tearing out and it's jacked up and Lord. But now I got A first stock of hair products came yesterday, and I finally got my oil back. So hopefully my my hair texture will go back to what it was, and I can stop using that damn oil that I bought at the supermarket. But it's like I lose half of my hair literally. Look how short my hair is. Look at that. My hair would normally be all the way down here, and look at it. It's just tearing out. You want to give them some? You're sharing? They say thank you. All right. I'm going to wash this conditioner out of my hair right now. Me, kiss mama. Give mama bizu. You're giving them bizu. Ma. Trying to fog up all the camera with his lips. You guys, hair is all done and setting, drying, and I am in the kitchen making dinner. Focus. I'm in the kitchen making dinner, and babe says he wants rice today, so rice it shall be, but not for me. Okay, no rice for me. I'm having steamed veggies and jerk chicken, which I cooked earlier, so I could have some of that for lunch. So that's what's going to be for dinner. Let me show you guys. So I have pak choy steaming, rice cooking for babe, and if you guys wondering why there's so much water in my pot, I'm cooking rice the French way. Rice in a bag.
French way is my way.
French way. I call it French way because it's here I come and know how to do it like that. And this is the sauce for the jerk chicken, and here is some remainder of the jerk chicken. Let me show you guys the rice that I have in the microwave right there. So that's dinner, and I already cooked some mashed potato fatai. Already make some mashed potato for Tyler, so that's what dinner is gonna be for tonight. I can't show you guys babe, he's just beside me washing dishes, but he's too sexy for the camera. Okay, my husband stays sexy, you guys. Listen, you guys, he's just so sexy. I just can't show you guys him right now. You're blushing? Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is the outcome of dinner. As usual, babe loves a lot of sauce, so he wants his sauce all over his food. So that's babe dinner, and this is mine, and it's not yet Tyler dinner time, so we're going to grub. Dinner is ready. Grub time. Say bye.
Bye.
Say night night.
Night night.
Tomorrow.
Night.
Blow them kisses. All right. Bedtime.
Jamaican expression for today.
You guys, the Jamaican expression for today is no broke the pitney them bad. If you hear your mother say to you, no broke the pitney bad, like if I say to babe, no broke Tyler bad, no broke the pitney bad, simple means don't break him into a bad habit for him to be a naughty little boy when he's growing up. Say,
no broke the pitney bad.
Right.
5 star. 5 star.
You're a 5-star patois certified these days. He's so spot on. What's the French word or expression?
The French word came to me yesterday. It's faux amis. Faux amis have different meaning. Word by word is fake friend. I'm not gonna talk about fake friend like if you have a friend, and no, I'm gonna talk about vocabulary, because yesterday I said a word that was similar French to English but different meaning, so that's why faux amis mean. I remember when I was at school, the teacher used to call it that way. Faux amis is when you have a same word in English and in French, but it doesn't mean the same things.
Okay.
So it's like a fake friends. Say it,
Faux amis.
right.
Okay. You have fake friends though?
Yeah, I have a lot of friends too. So just make
You
sure.
have fake friends?
Yeah, I have fake friends.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't have no fake friends because I dropped them all.
Okay, I'm just.
Once I find out that they're fake, bye Felicia. Don't do fake friends. That's why I keep my friends circle small as can be. Maybe that's why I don't have no friend. I have a few friends. I'm not gonna say I have no friend. I have a few friends that I really cherish and love a lot.
Okay.
Why are you having fake friends though? Why do you have fake friends?
I have fake
Why you
friends,
keeping
I have
fake
fake
friends?
family. I I'm joking.
You have fake family, babe?
I'm joking.
Wow. Well, there's always somebody in the family who act like they're family, but they're not. So there's always fake
That's
family
another
somewhere.
conversation.
That's another conversation. You guys, thanks for watching, and if you're watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you already are subscribed, please turn on your notification bell. Babe, leave my hair alone, please. Lord, he just won't stop.
Will you go to the outside
Yes,
like this
just
tomorrow?
like there's no shame in my game. You think there's shame in my game?
Okay. Going like this tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay.
Move.
Pinky promise?
Move.
Pinky,
No.
pinky promise?
No, leave me alone.
The pinky promise is
So
going like
you
this
don't
tomorrow?
you won't be proud of me if I go
I would
outside
be
like
proud
this?
of you anytime.
So why you asking me if I'm gonna go outside like this?
Would you be proud of yourself?
Of course.
Okay, let's
Why
go
not?
like this.
You know me. You know I have no shame in my game. I go outside like this.
Okay, let's go like this.
Anyway, you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. We love
If you are
guys.
new.
And we will see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow with me outside like this.
Bye guys.